Chevy Cruze, car won't start. Gonna put a ground wire right here and connect it right on this one if the security light got problem. That's the way to test it. Give me a second, let me tighten up this and I'll teach you guys what to do. Yeah, back again, car, look, car wasn't not starting. Do everything, you check the key, check the fuse, no problem. And this is what you're gonna do. These two wire again, make sure these two you can bypass it. But I'll show you an easy way. I use a tester and test the wire. This wire right here, if the car doesn't start, put this wire on top of this one and the car will start. Watch. It gotta be the brown and white wire. Make sure it's the brown and white wire. Look. Car started fine. No check engine light. Everything works perfectly. See that? Everything works perfectly fine. So that's how you bypassed it. But you gotta make sure you got one of these and do it right. Whenever you got the money, buy the box and fix the problem the right way. That's the box right there. But that's the way to bypass it. So have your test light, test the current. But it's easy. Car won't start. That's it. All the fuses in the back is good. Battery good. Everything good. So that's the way how to fix your car problem. Alright. Like and share and subscribe.